Hi guys, and welcome back. So this video is a little bit different. It's still an experiment. Now, I watched a video and also read about how certain logos, when they're spun at certain revolutions, they turn into a different logo. Now, I'm not going to say what the logos are of. You can work that out for yourself. And I'm not going to say what allegedly they turn into as well. You can work that out for yourself, but it's from history. So without actually giving away any details, I'll let you watch the videos and come to your own conclusions. I'm not going to say anything because, there you go. Watch the video. So is that conclusive or inconclusive? I'm sitting on the fence with this one. Can you allegedly see another symbol as those different revolutions? Don't know. You decide. Short video, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.